Good morning, students. Standard 10 Social Science History Unit 6 and 7 Objectives and Map. We will revise now. Unit 6 Early Revolts Against British Rule in India. Book exercise. First Roman letter. Choose the correct answer. Who was the first Palaykarars to resist the East India Company's policy of territorial aggrandizement? Aggrandizement increase the power. East India would power வந்து முதல்ல யாரு எதிர்த்தது? So புலித்தேவர் B option. Second one, who had established close relationship with the three agents of Chanda Sahib? Option C, Pulitevar. Then third one, where was Sivasubramanianar executed? Nagalapuram, B option. Fourth one, who issued the Tiruchirappalli Proclamation of Independence? A option, Marudu brothers. Fifth one, when did the Vellore revolt break out? C option, 10th July 1806. Sixth one, who was the commander-in-chief responsible for the new military regulations in Vellore Fort? C option is correct, Sir John Cradock. And seventh one, where was the sons of Tipu Sultan sent after the Vellore revolt? A option, Calcutta. Second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. First one, the Palaykarars system was put in place in Tamil Nadu by Vishwanatha Nayak. So Vishwanatha Nayaka or Nayak. Then second one, Velu Nachiyar and her daughter were under the protection of Gopala Nayak for 8 years. Gopala Nayak. Third one, Bannerman deputed Dash to convey his message asking Kattabomman to surrender. Ramalinganar. Fourth one, Kattabomman was hanged to death at Kayathar. 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 Fifth one, the rebellion of Marudu brothers was categorized in the British records as the Second Palaykarar War. It was considered as the Second Palaykarar War. And sixth one, Dash was declared the new Sultan by the rebels in Vellore Fort. Fateh Hyder. Fateh Hyder. Fateh Hyder. Third Roman letter, choose the correct statement. Here four statements are given. We have to choose the correct statement. So first statement, the Palaykarar system was in practice in the Kakatiya kingdom. Second statement, Pulitevar recaptured Nirkatum Seval in 1764 after the death of Khan Sahib. Third sentence, Yusuf Khan, who was negotiating with the Palaykarars without informing the company administration, was charged with treachery and hanged in 1764. Fourth sentence, Ondi Veeran led one of the army units of Kattabomman. Here B option is correct. First sentence and second sentence, then third sentence. These three sentences are correct. Second question. First statement, under Colonel Campbell, the English army went along with the Mahfuz Khan army. Second sentence, after Muthu Vadagar's death in Kalayakovil battle, Marudu brothers assisted Velu Nachiyar in restoring the throne to her. Third sentence, Gopala Nayak spearheaded the famous Dindukkal League. Fourth sentence, in May 1799, Cornwallis ordered the advance of company armies to Tirunelveli. Answer is option B. Second and third sentence are correct. Second and third sentence are correct. Third question, assertion, Pulitevar tried to get the support of Hyder Ali and the French. Reason, Hyder Ali could not help Pulitevar as he was already in a serious conflict with the Marathas. Answer, C option. Both A and R are correct and R is the correct explanation of A. Next Roman letter, match the following. First one, Tirthangiri, Oda Nilai. And second one, Gopala Nayak, Dindukal. Third one, Bannerman, Ramalinganar. Fourth one, Subedar Sheikh Adam, Vellore Revolt. Then Colonel Fancourt, Vellore Fort. Unit 7, Anti-Colonial Movements and the Birth of Nationalism. Book exercise, first Roman letter, choose the correct answer. First one, which one of the following was launched by Haji Shariatullah in 1818 in East Bengal? B option is correct. Farazi movement. Second one, who declared that land belongs to God and collecting rent or tax on it was against divine law? C option, Dudu Mian. Third one, who were driven out of their homeland during the process of creation of zamins under permanent settlement? A option is correct, Santals. Fourth one, find out the militant nationalist from the following. Here 4 options are given. From this option, C is a correct answer, Bipin Chandrapal. Fifth one, when did the partition of Bengal come into effect? That is a D option is correct, 16th October 1905. That is a partition of Bengal come into effect in 16th October 1905. Sixth one, what was the contest in which the Chota Nagpur Tenancy Act was passed? C option is correct, Munda Rebellion. Seventh one, who set up the first Home Rule League in April 1916? D option is correct, Tilak. Eighth one, who drew the attention of the British to the suffering of indigo cultivation through his play Nil Darban? A option is correct, Deenabandhu Mitra. Second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. First one, Dash was an anti-imperial and anti-landlord movement which originated in and around 1827. Wahhabi Rebellion. Wahhabi, Wahhabi Rebellion. Second one, the major tribal revolt which took place in Chota Nagpur region was Kol Revolt. K-O-L, Kol. Third one, Dash Act restricted the entry of non-tribal people into the tribal land. Chota Nagpur Tenancy Act. CHOTANAGPUR, Chota Nagpur Tenancy Act. TENANCY, Tenancy. Then fourth one, Chota Nagpur Act was passed in the year 1908. Fifth one, W.C. Banerjee was elected the President of Indian National Congress in the year 1885. Third Roman letter, choose the correct statement. 4 statements are given. So first statement, the company received rupees 22.5 million from Mir Jafar and invested it to propel the Industrial Revolution in Britain. Second sentence, Coles organized an insurrection in 1831 and 1832 which was directed against government officers and money lenders. Third sentence, in 1855, 2 Santal brothers, Sidhu and Kanu, led the Santal rebellion. Fourth sentence, in 1879, an act was passed to regulate the territories occupied by the Santals. A option is correct. Your sentence, first sentence, second sentence and third sentence are correct. Second one, first sentence, one of the most significant contributions of the early Indian nationalist was a formulation of an economic critique of colonialism. Second sentence, the early Congress leaders stated that the religious exploitation in India was a primary reason for the growing poverty. Third sentence, one of the goals of the moderate Congress leaders was to achieve Swaraj or self-rule. Fourth sentence, the objective of partition of Bengal was to curtail the Bengali influence and weaken the nationalist movement. Here, B option is correct. Sentence 1, 3, 4. Sentence 1, 3, 4 are correct. Third question, assertion. Under colonial rule, for the first time in Indian history, government claimed a direct proprietary right over forest. Reason, planters used intimidation and violence to compel farmers to grow indigo. So your option here, A option is correct. Both A and R, assertion and reason are correct, but reason is not the correct explanation of A. So A option is correct. Then fourth one, assertion. The revolt of 1857 was brutally suppressed by the British Army. Reason, the failure of the rebellion was due to the absence of central authority. So here C option is correct. Both A and R are correct, and R is the correct explanation of A. Fourth Roman letter, match the following. First one, Wahhabi rebellion, Titu Mir, and Munda rebellion, Ranji. Third one, Begum Hazrat Mahal, Lucknow. Fourth one, Kunwar Singh, Bihar. Fifth one, Nana Sahib, Peshwa Baji Rao II. Map work, important centers of Great Rebellion 1857. So first one, it is a Barakpur. First revolt was took place Barakpur here, and Delhi, Meerut, Ambala, Bareilly, Agra, Lucknow, Kanpur, Gwalior, Jhansi, Allahabad and Banaras.